Welcome to TerraSpatial. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download bathymetry data from GEBCO website. Once you have opened your browser, just type in GEBCO GEBCO and hit the button enter. So you could see the first result, GEBCO, the general bathymetry charts of the oceans. Now hit the first link, and after the page has been loaded, you could find download GEBCO global grid, download polar grids. So we are going to select the download GEBCO's global grid. After that, you can find the information about this data over here. In order to download this data, two options have been available. One is download the global coverage grids. Another one is download data for user defined areas. So we are going to select the download data for user defined areas. So after selection, you can find a page like this, and you could see use our application to select and download the data in following formats: netcdf, esri, ascii, and finally in geotep formats. So now hit the button application. Within few seconds you could see the change in interface, and we can select the grid versions. So they have currently launched the 2022 version, so I'm going to select GEBCO 2022. If you want it for sub-ice North Polar region, you can select accordingly. So here I'm going to select GEBCO 2022, and in order to select the area which you are interested in, you could find we can use the control plus mouse left click and drag a box to select the region on the map. So let me close this and go to the region of interest. So let me zoom in to have a better look. Okay, so now use the control button plus mouse left click continuously plus the mouse left click and draw a box like this. You can draw a box like this. So if you have done anything wrong over here, hit the button clear. Once again, you can do it by pressing the button control and pressing the mouse left click. So here you have seen selected the boundary which I am interested in. So after selecting, you can see the lat long extension. So in in west, in east, in north and south, and come down. Here we can select the data formats. So here I am going to select GeoTIFF in a grid format, and if you want the color map or a shaded relief, you can also separately download the image in JPEG format and come down. Now you can see the details, the bounds in west, east, south and north. You can find the lat long. Now you could see two options: add to basket. First we need to add it to the basket, and now hit the button view basket, where you can see the data which you have selected, and hit the button download your data. So you can see it has been processing the data. Within a few seconds the download will be started. So you can see within few seconds the data has been downloaded, and it is around 1.3 MB. Let me show it to you in the folder. So this is the data which we have downloaded. Now let me extract the data over here. So after extraction, you could see a separate folder. Let me browse into the folder. So this is the downloaded TIFF image, GeoTIFF image, and this is the JPEG shaded map just for visualization. These are the two maps which we have downloaded, and these two are only for visualization. Now let me see the data in the GIS environment by opening the ArcGIS. So once opened the ArcGIS, now let me add the data over here by selecting the add data button. So you could see the folder over here, and this is the GeoTIFF image which we have downloaded. Let me add this GeoTIFF image and select the image, and I'll go to the option properties. Here we need to classify this data. So I'm going to classify it into 10 groups, and I'm going to give the symbology as a for an elevation, and use the button, use hill shade, and show the class break using cell values. Now apply it, click OK. Now just zoom in, and actually you can see this is the terrain, and after that you can see the sea flow. You can see the slope over here. So this is how the data looks like. So if you have any doubts in this, please do ask in the comment section. I'll be answering to your questions. Thanks for watching Terra Spatial. Please do subscribe the channel. Goodbye everyone.